In today's meditation, we're going to repeat positive statements and let the supportive words seep into the subconscious mind so you can feel empowered. Let's meditate. Go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in that flows all the way down through your chest and into your belly now. Centering yourself here. Exhale, let go of anything you don't need for the next while whilst you meditate. This is your time. And then just allowing the breath to flow in and out of the nose. As you hear me say those positive statements, you can just go ahead and gently repeat them silently in your mind as many times as it feels right to you. To really let these positive words seep into your subconscious mind so that these words can support you daily. Sometimes, when we're being hard on ourselves, we don't always believe these positive statements at first. But they can still be very helpful as we keep repeating these positive statements. Today I feel empowered and confident. I let my shoulders fall back, my chest open, as I carry myself with confidence. I'm walking through my day with confidence. I stand tall in my own light. I am fully connected to the self-belief within myself. I feel heard and seen in this world. I am heard and I am seen. I feel good about myself. I appreciate all of the things that makes me, me. I like myself. I am proud of who I am and what I stand for. Good things flow my way, and I am in my flow. I am like a magnet to good vibration and good things flowing my way. I surround myself with good people who support me and sees me. I feel empowered and strong. I communicate with ease everything I need and want in this world. I feel fully aligned within. I carry myself with confidence. I let my light shine brightly. I matter in the world. I communicate with ease. And I am heard and I am seen. I feel supported. I feel joyful and grateful. and I embrace every special moment that happens in the day. However small or big, I am grateful for today. I feel empowered and energized and strong. I feel fully aligned here. I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. I feel in my flow. And I am a magnet to good things in life, flowing my way, people and situations and opportunities. I am fully aligned. I feel good about myself. I embrace everything that makes me unique and me. I am here to shine my light, and I shine my light brightly. I embrace who I am. I accept myself fully, and I validate myself, because I know that I am enough always. I am kind, and I have empathy for myself and others. I am me, and that is always enough. And so it is. May you have a spring in your step today as you go ahead and take a deep breath in, sealing this meditation, coming back and opening your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me today.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.